We've had a lot of rain lately, and that has made my canna lilies fall over. They're just waterlogged. Nosy chicken laying on the ground. Some of them are doing well. Some of them are turning yellow. Some of them have been eaten by caterpillars and other bugs. And I'm going to have to cut them back. This is a new bed. I started it with plants that my daughter gave to me. So she gave me, I think, 2 of the cannas and 3 or 4 of the elephant ears. And they've grown into this jungle in about a year. And then I ordered the caladiums online. So I'm just going to use my fiskars to cut back the ones that have fallen over. Because as you can see right there, it's just broken anyway. So you just cut it off like that. Let's get it a little cleaner. They're rusty, yes. So then I'm just going to throw that in my compost bin. Actually, I changed compost bins. I'm just going to throw it in this little thing right here for now. Okay. And then we will remove some of the flowers that are already spent. That'll go in the compost bin in a few minutes. This one, cut that one back. This one touching the ground. This one that's yellow. See, the leaf is yellow. Cut that one off. This one, because they're not going to stand back up. They've broken after all this rain. They've just broken off. It had pretty blooms on it too. So this one, cut it off. And of course, we have vines because they grow everywhere here. And I'm too lazy to dig them up right now in 100-degree weather. So I'm just going to keep doing this to the ones that are turning yellow and the ones that have broken off because of all the rain. So I think I got out all of the ones that are dying or dead. And tomorrow I'm going to transplant most of these canna lilies. This is where the water from our washing machine drains out. All of these plants love the water, and they're doing really well here in this location until we got a week or 2 of rain every single day. But this area is partially shaded. It's shaded in the morning, and then we get the afternoon sun. So the plants thrive here, but now that they're all big and huge, you can see how big the leaves are compared to my hand. It just doesn't look right. It looks a little too jungly and not quite the tropical oasis I was going for. So I'm going to leave the elephant ears and the canna, the caladiums, and then take most of these large clumps that are damaged anyway and move them to probably over here by the teepee, where the sort of end of the drainage from the washing machine goes, because they'll get more sun there and they'll soak up all of that water. This path I did with pallet boards I'm not done with. Honestly, it was just to see if it would work. I had an idea and I went with it, and I'm going to put rock on either side. It'll cover up all of that. So anyway, this mess is going to get cleaned up tomorrow. See if we can't make it a prettier area.